Especially first day we met here, what?
Oh my God!
What a great spot to take your boots off, come in, out of
It is huge. It is. Good place, you know, kick off your toes.
Oh my
We can
God.
hang them up.
Yeah,
Yes, and you got a selfie on the bottom.
fantastic.
And that whole wall. This is the new addition.
Right, that's the outside envelope of the old house, right? Door, very nice touch. These doors are just
I know, they're stunning.
They're nice doors. Lucky fine. We had to clean them up. Aaron did a little bit of scraping on them to make the wood really pop. But this is only the porch. But definitely added to the space. Still got more of the old walls when you're sitting down there. That's the old house. All the bookshelves.
They bring some natural light in this room. Wonderful. Wow. Wow, the old ceiling, the old beams, industrial.
So me and Liam put it out.
That's right. Counters.
Yeah.
The John Butcher block here will get so much use in this kitchen. They all tell a story. So you're designing this place for parties, aren't you? Right? Looks fantastic. Easily accessible.
Easy, accessible, but you never know what's there. The house. We didn't do any code, just painted it over. And actually, we never even painted the spindles or the handrail or the dual post. That's original. Look at these old beams. Someone had to go in the woods, chop them through.
And still solid, ready for the next 100 years.
It is.
In this house, this fabulous. The windows are absolutely amazing. They're perfect.
Oh my God, pinch me. I swear to God. Like, honestly,
Watch the world. Watch the weather.
and I just love them.
Again, this is the old part of the house, the old stairwell, the old flooring. Wasn't easy.
Oh my
Spa.
God.
Ceilings of the old house. Fantastic.
Spectacular. This tub, this vanity. It feels like the outside. It feels like kind of the colors look like room on its own.
Another room that wants to be lived in.
Absolutely.
Well, maybe we'll leave you alone. We'll go down and get a point. Trying to make this open concept, there was a lot of hurdles to go over. But then when you got the metal beam house, part of the history, so seeing them special elements really make this house really pop.
Things. This is like beyond my wildest imagining. It's
It really
beyond.
does.
It really is.